Overview. In this exercise, you will install MySQL Workbench and prepare your computer for upcoming database exercises. You will download MySQL Workbench, install it, connect it to a MySQL server, local or a remote laboratory server provided by your instructor, verify the connection, create a test schema, refresh the schemas panel, and capture the required screenshots. Learning objectives. Download the correct MySQL Workbench installer for your operating system. Install MySQL Workbench using the installation wizard. Connect MySQL Workbench to a local or remote MySQL server. Test the connection and verify the MySQL Server version. Create a schema and refresh the schemas panel. Capture screenshots that document successful setup. Prerequisites. A Windows or Mac OS computer. Administrator/local installation privileges. A stable internet connection to download MySQL Workbench. Access to a MySQL server, either a local MySQL server already installed/running or a remote laboratory server supplied by your instructor. Your MySQL username and password. The video demonstration uses the username root. Step 1. Download the software. Open your web browser and go to the official MySQL downloads page. Select your operating system: Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Click the download button next to the recommended installer. Click No thanks, just start my download to skip creating an account. Step 2. Install MySQL Workbench for Windows. Double-click the downloaded .msi file. Click Next on the wizard welcome screen. Choose the default destination folder and click Next. Select Complete Installation and click Next. Click Install. When the wizard reports that setup is complete, click Finish. For Mac operating system, double-click the downloaded .dmg file. Drag the MySQL Workbench icon into your Applications folder. Open your Applications folder and double-click MySQL Workbench to launch it. Step 3. Connect to a database. To make your workspace ready for this exercise, you must connect to a MySQL server, either local or a remote laboratory server provided by your instructor. Launch MySQL Workbench. Click the plus icon next to MySQL Connections on the home screen. Configure the connection settings. Connection name, enter a recognizable name such as ITSE 1303. Hostname, enter 127.0.0.1 if running locally, or the server IP provided by your instructor. Username, enter your username, default is usually root. Click Test Connection. Enter your password when prompted and click OK. Now you are successfully connected to the server. Step 4. Verify the MySQL connection. After opening the connection, the MySQL Workbench SQL editor should appear. Use the SQL editor to confirm that the server is responding. To confirm everything works, type Select Version in the main query window. Click the lightning bolt icon on the toolbar to run the command. If you see the MySQL version number in the bottom results pane, your setup is complete. Step 5. Create a test schema. Create a schema to confirm that you can execute a database definition statement. Use a unique schema name appropriate for your class. The video demonstrates the command. Create database with your name, example. Create database John. Create table. Students with the following codes. Insert into students, name, email, with the following codes. Run and execute the above code. Step 6. Refresh schemas. If you do not see your schema, select Refresh All. You will see your new schema in the list. Take a snapshot of all the tasks. Thanks for watching. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one. Good luck!